Hello and welcome to my Fireworks Adobe CS4 tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you a brief introduction on how to use the knife tool. Okay, so I'll just create a new documents. These are just my specifications. You can change them to whatever you need, but this just suits my computer because it fits perfect. Okay. And just center the canvas. Then what you need to do is just go over here to the vector area and then click and hold on here. You can check any of these. I suggest, well, I'm going to demonstrate with a rectangle, just got to use it. Okay, okay, and then while it's still selected, remember, come over here to the knife tool. You just draw a line going across. And these two white boxes here. Okay. And what you need to do, make sure that it's dead in the centre. And bring the line across to the dead centre of this one too. Like that. Then you can put. And then I don't know, you can put these together like that by holding shift. And clicking on that, and modify, combine paths, and union, and then go to them. Now you could experiment with that any way you wanted to. Thank you for watching my first ever video. Okay, bye.